Here we have a box opening of the TOMLOV digital microscope model DM9. So we'll just quickly open it up and see what we have in the box. Of course, we have a user's manual. And then we have what appears to be the monitor. And here's the microscope right here. And this must be a fine adjustment, which we'll look at later when we review this. We have a handheld remote right here, and which will probably attach somehow to the stand, and with its two attached lights and a USB to USB-C power adapter. And there you have it, folks.